Welcome to Dr. Senan Homeopathy. How to become a member of Dr. Senan Homeopathy. Becoming a member is quick and simple. First, click on the membership button. This will open the membership page, where you can see all the exciting benefits. At the bottom, you'll see the membership button again. Just click it. A pop-up titled Doctor Membership Application will appear. Fill in your details: name, clinic or organization, email, contact number, city, and country. Then, check the agreement boxes and click Register. You'll receive an OTP on your email for verification. Enter the code, and congratulations! You are now proud member of Dr. Senan Homeopathy. Your login credentials have also been sent to your email. Please check your inbox and log in. Click on the login button above the membership. Enter the login credentials and click the login button. From here, you can start enjoying all the services on our website. Thank you for joining us, and welcome to the Dr. Senan Homeopathy family. Dr. Senan Homeopathy. Smarter Repertorization Remedy Finder. Visit us today.